How's it going, friends on YouTube? How are you? Welcome, everyone, because you have clicked at the right time and moment to enjoy this new video. Thank you for being here. Well, guys, today we are going to learn how to unlock a Sprint iPhone completely for free. For that, we need to meet a few requirements for it to be free. There are only two requirements. The first is that your iPhone must have an up-to-date payment. The bill must be paid, and the contracts must be finalized for it to be completely free. So that is a requirement. The account must be up to date. The second requirement is that the iPhone must not be on the blacklist. It must not have a report, because if it does, it will let the company Sprint know that the device is fraudulent. So that is important, right? And this allows you to unlock it for free, but there is another important thing to mention. When people are going to receive a new contract, they are given a new device, and this prevents the previous device from being unlocked completely for free, because a new contract is acquired and there are bills to pay, making it impossible to unlock it for free. For that, they must first, once the contract is finished, request the unlock immediately for it to be free, and then start the contract with the new device. This is how it can be done for it to be free. Companies do not explain this, because it is not in their interest for you to switch to another company with your device, right? And if in case you know the owner, you can tell them to go do this procedure at Sprint. Also, if you have the owner's details, their name, the owner's ID, they can call Sprint at the number 1-844-466-563 SOS EOS 27. You need to know how to speak in English. You have to speak in English to request the unlock completely for free at Sprint. Well, the second option that can also be cost-effective is to buy the unlock. You can request this on sites like Dr. Sim and also on a site like Unlock River. You can request the unlocks, and what you need to do is meet the requirements I just mentioned and buy some credits that are sold on those sites using a credit card. You register with an email to acquire those credits, and you will add credits to your account according to what appears on the page, the price of the unlock. If, in case the unlock does not work, those credits remain in your account so you can use them later to unlock another device. That is typically how the technicians usually do it, and that is how it works on iPhone unlocking websites. Now, the third option you can do is through an unlock card, whether it's R-Sync, MKS from Ultra, HatCard, Welshing, or Gibby Pro. These brands also exist, and you can acquire them on eBay or Amazon. And you can unlock the device manually yourself. And this is at a much lower cost than unlocking it from the factory. The detail is that you have to unlock it manually. That is the only detail about this way of locking your device at an insignificant price. The truth is that the price to unlock your device is insignificant. If with this third option of unlocking it with an unlock card, you don't know how to do it, well, at the bottom of the video, I will leave you link in the description so you can learn how to unlock it yourself, right? And well, guys, that has been all for today. See you. Take care. Until next time. Take care. Bye.